most common questions you'll get is, can I use my AGM battery charger to charge my lithium battery? Well, we've got a very good article on our website. There'll be a link below this video somewhere. In that article, we run through all the pros and cons of using different types of chargers. But one of the fundamental differences between an AGM charger and a lithium battery charger is the charging profile that it uses for a lithium battery is very different to that of an AGM battery. When you charge a battery, it goes all the way up to 14.6 volts for a lithium battery. It drops away to 13.6 volts as a float charge versus trickle charge stage, right? That charger, if it's an AGM battery charger and it doesn't know that it's a lithium battery, it won't kick back in to start recharging until the battery has discharged itself down to around about 12.7 to 12.8 on most battery chargers. Fine for a lead acid battery or an AGM battery, because when it drops away to that, it's only a few percentage. But if you do that with a lithium battery, you've got to discharge that battery more than 80% of its capacity before the voltage will drop away to that point. That means that you could go a day or two or three, depending on the capacity of the battery, before your charger kicks back in and starts recharging that battery. That's why there's manufacturers out there that claim you can drop a lithium battery into your system, not have to change your chargers out, but really, that's a load of BS. The charger will work sometimes, it won't work efficiently, it won't work all the time, and it certainly won't work the way that it needs to charge a lithium iron phosphate battery.